Hey guys, what is up? So let me cut right to the chase and tell you that Apple might be taking some websites down from which you can download the beta version of iOS 16. So as you may know, and I've made several videos about this topic, is that you can download iOS 16 outside of the Apple ecosystem. One of those websites were beta profiles. That was the most popular website, I believe, and from there you could download the iOS beta version, iOS 16. And most of us did so because we didn't want it to wait up until July, up until Apple released that official beta version. But now Apple is taking those websites down just because they want you to wait up until July until the official way, which is go to settings, go to general software update, and from here you should have downloaded your beta version iOS 16. Now it says iOS 15 because this iPhone is not connected to the developers program of Apple. If you don't know what developer program of Apple is and all of that, it's basically a program that's launched by Apple. They allow you even to download beta versions of iOS, the next coming up iOS software. But this year it wasn't possible up until July of this year. So people didn't want it to wait and they went to websites like Beta Profiles to download that beta version. But now Apple seems they have taken down those websites. So if I go, for example, to this website, the most popular website when it comes to downloading iOS 16 beta version, which is Beta Profiles, and I click on it, it says Safari cannot open the page because it could not connect to the server. So it means that Apple has taken down this site, this website. Now, can you still download iOS 16 beta version? Yeah, absolutely. What you need to do is go to the Apple program, the developers program. So you can Google that, developers program, Apple developer program. You need to agree to some conditions, and then you get the latest beta version. So it's a cool way to try out the beta version of any iOS software that's been released by Apple and that will be released in the future by Apple. Just keep in mind that version will be a lot buggier than you might think because, yeah, it already says it in the title, it's just the beta version. It's not the official version. Apple does this just to it's actually very smart from Apple because they want to be aware of all those bugs that they aren't aware of when working with this thing in their lab. And that way they just make it public. Millions of people are downloading this beta version, and they report bugs and problems that they encounter with their iPhone, and you can do so as well. So you're helping the iOS ecosystem, and you get a sneak peek of how the newest iOS will look like before anyone else. So yeah, that's actually something I wanted to share with you. Maybe in the future you just have to wait up until July of any year before being able to download that beta version, just to be sure that you have it from a credible source, which is Apple, and you download it also from settings. I've made a video showing you how you can download it from Beta Profiles. Once again, that was the safest way, but still, you might be downloading any malicious software into your iPhone, and that can be dangerous for that. That can be dangerous for you, for your payment services, for everything on your iPhone, and your iPhone holds a lot of information about you. So be careful of what you're downloading on your iPhone. It's very safe. The iOS ecosystem is very safe, but there are still malicious software on the web that can get their hands on your iPhone without you even noticing it. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you got something out of this video. If you have any questions, like always, leave them in the comment section below. Watch one of my recent videos right here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.